my coffee, I use our local coffee here in the Philippines, Basilio. That's my name. All right. So this is the Dalisay blend. I use whole beans. Okay. So I put this into my grinder. I already have some of it already there. I plug the grinder. Since I'm using an espresso maker, I set it to very close to the edge where it's fine grind. Okay, and around 8 to 10 seconds of grinding, and this is what I get. Oh, it's too dark. This is what I get here. Yes, this. Let's go here. This one. See? So this is a fine grind, which is perfect for espresso maker. This is a budget espresso maker. That one in the middle, the Bowman retro style espresso maker. All right, so now that we have these stuff ready, it's already. I turned it on, and this indicates power. This indicates that it's ready and the right temperature. And you see the temperature gauges right here. The perfect temperature, a good temperature for brewing already. Yeah, I have the portafilter clean. Right, I have a rug here just to wipe things. So anyway, we have this. I have this attachment that comes with the espresso machine, the scoop and the temper. So I use 2 scoops, a little short of 1 scoop. That's okay. It's hard to add another one, a little short of another scoop, so I still need a few. Yeah, one more. There. See that? Then I dip, clean the rim. Yeah. Let me set you aside so you can see what I do. All right, continuing. I hope I get the shot right. So this is what I do. Tap it a little bit, clean the sides, right? With just my fingers. Put this on the edge. This here, straight. Then I press. Put my body to the side and use my body weight. Press it like that, and that's enough. No stress. Then we run some hot water to my cup that I'm going to use. Throw that away. Okay, back. Then put this on. Cup here and start brewing. Just like 15 seconds. See here. Brewing there. I kind of fill the cup halfway. I don't need the thick espresso as of now because I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna make Americano. I'll just wait for it to finish. All right, so when it's done, I take it off. I remove this right away and throw the used ground coffee and move it back. So when I discard the rinsed coffee, I clean it right away. Yes. All right. There we go. Put it back. Run water there and use that water to add more water to my coffee to make an Americano. Like this. Clean up a little bit. See, it's almost full. I stop right there and take it off. And that's my coffee every morning.